folks, I do think we're going to hit some rain. Looks pretty dark up there. We just about hit a buck. Went running around the road. We had to slam on our brakes. I wish I had that on camera, but I don't. It's a young buck. That would have really sucked if we hit it. But I feel some rain now already, so I think we're going to get a little wet. We're almost to Eagle's Nest. Not very far from Eagle's Nest. Actually, we're closer to Cimarron, not Eagle's Nest. We're still a ways away from there, but I think we're going to get a little wet. But it's nice to see the temperature going down. It's been 100 degrees on my temperature gauge for a long time. I've got a little bit of sunburn. Should have wore long sleeves. But now it's down to 95. I guess the higher we go, the lower it's going to drop, I hope. Sure is pretty out here. In the fall when we come, normally is when we drive through here. It is now too. I love the mountains. Anyway, I'll check in with you later. You think we're going to hit some rain?
Could be.
Looks pretty dark up there.
Yeah. I bet it'll be up there by Eagle's Nest and Wheeler Peak.
Yeah. At least it won't be snow.
Yeah, no kidding. Sure feels good though.
It does. Temperature went down quite a bit. From 98 to 86.
Well, it was 100 in Clayton, wasn't it?
Huh?
It was 100 in Clayton, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was 100 for a long time. I felt like I was burning. I'm like, here I'm getting a bad sunburn and I'm not even at the beach or the lake. I should have wore long sleeves.
That's why I like long sleeves. You don't have to worry about the sunscreen.
Yeah. Plus, they say you get more dehydrated faster when you're not wearing sleeves.
Oh.
These curves are nice, aren't they?
Yeah. Too bad all these trees got burned up last year.
What happened last year? I didn't know they had a fire.
It was last year or the year before. It was like a record drought, fires and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
It wasn't that year we came up here because...
No. In the summertime.
Oh, it was summer. I don't remember these trees dead, though.
No, they weren't dead. They were alive.
Oh, darn. Well, this is the first time we've been up here, and it's actually green, not fall colors. Oh, what's up with the dirt?
Washout. They went from drought to too much rain, like we did.
Yeah. I would say that our first leg of our trip was pretty miserable.
Yeah.
That heat was
Well,
brutal.
it wasn't until we got to the panhandle and super duper hot. That was where it's bad.
It was awful. Terrible. I hate
Like,
it.
like riding in a frying pan.
It is, seriously.
We're lucky it could have been worse.
Well, anytime there was no cars coming my way, I was lifting my shirt up, giving myself some air under there. Aren't we an hour behind from Tulsa now?
Yeah, we're mountain time now.
So it's 4:20.
4:20.
It's down to almost 80 degrees.
Woohoo!
I love it. I'm loving it. I knew that our first leg of our trip was going to be kind of miserable. Uncomfortable, but I didn't think it would be that miserable. There was no shade, no clouds, nothing. It was just hot heat beating down on us. I'm just not made for hot areas. My ancestry comes from northern countries in Europe. The only time I like to be around heat, or in heat like that, is at the beach or in my pool. And if I'm not at the beach or in my pool, I want to be in my house in the air conditioning. We might escape the rain.
Looks like we might stay south of it.
Yeah.
I think if we go up the Red River, we might run into it, but we're going to go south.
Right.
Red River's prettier, but it looks a lot wetter right now. Oh man, I love that smell. It smells so good.
I know, those pines smell good. Makes me think of Christmas. Christmas in July.
Wow, it's getting chilly.
Oh wow, burst of cold just now. 4.
I'd feel better stopping for some gas. What about you?
Yeah, let's stop.
Plus, my butt needs a break.
Or we stop at that Shell station at Eagle Nest. My wrist needs a break. My little throttle rocker's not on it right, and it keeps slipping.
Huh.
Whoa, we're slowing down quite a bit. Oh, we got a Pokemon.
Yeah. Oh, he's turning. I don't want to pass him.
Oh, don't pass him. There's a curve right there. Maybe he's doing it to let us by. Yep, he was. Nice man. Cimarron State Park. It's down to 79 degrees.
Wow.
Wow, how quickly that fell from 100 to 79.
The mountains, God's air conditioners.
Yeah.